those little moments, the best you did.
Welcome sa isa na namang episode ng Off the Grid Talks by yours truly, Ken Esteban. In this episode, pumunta kami for the second time this year sa Lake Tapeo kasama ang Mototesto Adventure Team headed by Sir Tim Tuason. Na siya na rin ating interviewin to share origins of Mototesto, inspiration para sa mga passion projects katulad ng The Great Philippine Loop at Philippine Overland Expo. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Kunin ang beer, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Let's go!
Yung Mototesto, nag-start yan as talagang ang focus namin, overlanding na. To encourage mga local and foreign tourists and mga enthusiasts na to explore this lifestyle and to see the beauty ng Philippines. Kahiligan kasi namin ito because ever since yung parents ko, they love to travel. And nung bata pa kami, we already been to iba-ibang part ng Philippines na na-realize ko, marami pala katulad ng natin na nasa city, hindi natin alam gaano kaganda ang Pilipinas. Yun yung nag-motivate sa amin to have Mototesto. Pero yung name and yung logo, it's a different story. Yung logo, actually, nag-start to as a passion namin, yun nga. Tapos may mga barkada ako na naisip namin, why not gawin natin lifestyle company? Start kami nung time na yun, way back 2010, wala pang mga LED. So, nag-start kami to sell LED online. By that, sabi na, saan ba natin gagamitin tong LED na to, di ba? Siyempre sa bundok, we started the name. Nag-isip kami kung ano bang bagay. So, sabi namin, hindi tayo off-road eh. Gusto natin overlanding. Gusto natin mag-explore and to travel the Philippines. Yung mammoth, yung logo, it's a mammoth. Yung mammoth na yan, nag-start siya dahil ano ba ang karakteristik ng mammoth? It's a creature na travel in group and travel long distances. Imposible mong mabalahaw ang mammoth. Bakit? Unang-una, sobra niyang laki. Pangalawa, they travel in herds. So, pag nabalahaw, nalubog yung isa, kayang hilain yung isa. Like our rig, meron tayong winch. Mammoth, they have their trunks to pull themselves or each other. Plus, yung mga rig natin, may mga steel bumper yan. At yun nga, in overlanding, traveling from point A to point B, long distances, and yung mga hindi normally napupuntahan na lugar. Mga normal vehicle. Like itong Lake Tapeo, more than 20 years na kaming pumupunta dito. Dati, lahat yan rough road nung pinuntahan namin. Yung mga, like, si Mammoth, may trunk siya. Para ialis kung may nakaharang na kahoy dyan or pangtukod kung dumulas siya or ano. Yun din yung parang steel bumper namin. Kaya yun yung naisip namin na gawin logo, yung Mammoth. Yung Philippines, kasi talagang napakaganda. Maraming mapupuntahan na magagandang lugar na hindi mo akalain. Example, I do also motorcycle, we do ride, we do explore. Meron akong late friend na he passed away na. We do ride together. He's a British national who retired here. Nung nagra-ride kami, sabi niya, sobrang ganda. We have to be proud of the Philippines. By the way, he's the one responsible kung bakit tayo may Google Map. Okay, bakit tayo merong GPS dito. Ang ginawa niya, before Google Map, renide niya yung lahat ng road sa Philippines and plinat niya. And in-upload niya yun open source. So, kung meron kang before Google Map, meron kang Garmin na may sinusundan kang daan, siya gumawa nun. Then, Google Map, base it on that. Sabi niya, pagka makita mo yan, with your naked eye, it's like postcard that you see in other country. But in other country, those are edited and it's on postcard. In the Philippines, yan yung raw na actual. Wala kang makikitang ganyan kaganda na sa ibang bansa. It's not to sell our product. It's to sell the lifestyle on exploring the Philippines. It's a lifestyle company that we want to share and to show the Philippines to everyone. And yung mga product, because we felt na, syempre, by exploring, we first need to set up our vehicle on our own. We felt that it's so much waste na these products are not available in the Philippines. That's why we started importing and selling the product. So, kung ano yung mga na-experience namin on our own, na na-test namin, it works, makes our lives easier, it's make our vehicle reliable, makes our camp more pleasant, in-import namin siya to share to all. Kaya mapapansin nyo, if yung price ng Mototesto on our products is what you can see almost kung ano yung nasa ibang bansa. We're here to share you the quality of the product. Yung passion project yun, yung Philippine Loop na yun. We've been traveling all over the Philippines, but syempre, because of mass media, medyo takot yung mga tao, lalo na yung mga taga Luzon, takot na pumuntang Visayas and Mindanao because of many reasons. Creating the Philippine Loop will encourage and will inspire our fellow Filipino to explore and to see the country na it's doable. And we have kinausap namin fast cut. Hindi na nakakatakot like before na mag-travel ka na yung mga horror story na sobrang tagal ka sa port, yung mga ganyan. Marami nang pwedeng access na mapuntahan. Kinausap namin lahat ng mga town na LGU. We tried, although sobrang limited yung time, we tried to highlight every town na pinuntahan namin to boost their own tourism. So lahat ng footage, well, still compiling because I think we gather more than 50 terabytes of footage. Ang target namin doon, i-compile namin yun, and then all the footage on respected LGU, we will send it for free. No charge yun. Basta ito yung Google Drive link nung let's say Aklan. Gamitin nyo as you please so you can promote your tourism. Yun yung parang passion project to help boost the tourism, not only for our fellow Filipino, but ang dream namin is to encourage foreign to come to the Philippines and see the Philippines. Okay, ito nabuo to sa isang camp na pag-usapan, naging totoo. Aside from overlanding, hindi mo naman definitely perfectly planned ang sitwasyon. Sometimes merong situation that it may require skills and it may require special equipment. Naisip namin, meron kasing isang lugar that we explored long time ago, binutas namin. It's an old logging route. Before siya maging logging route, it's an historical old Japanese World War II retreat route from Dingalan to General Nakar. So nawala na yan, trail na yan. Way back 2013 with the team from Jungle Base, we initiate expedition to retrace and open that route. So, sobrang extreme. We spent 4 days in the mountain. It's a 120 kilometer na jungle. Since na-open siya, na-develop na siya ng LGU. Gumaganda na. Gumaganda na. So, yun. Naging isang passion project din na sabi natin, why not let's create. Ang inspiration nito is Camel Trophy. Wala na kasing Camel Trophy. It's an Land Rover and Camel Cigarette event na they crossed Amazon jungle. Last event ng Camel Trophy, I think, is 1997. Yun yung inspiration namin to create a 3-vehicle team that will cross General Nakar to Dingalan or Dingalan to General Nakar. Yes. Actually, the first passion project that we created is the Overland Expo. Started in 2016. Napigil lang siya. Ang last event nun is February 2020 before the lockdown. Hindi pa sikat ang overlanding, but ang attendees nung Overland Expo, it's close to 400 vehicles. It was held in Zambales. Planning to revive that maybe next year. Location to be announced. You get to experience large scale of this. What we have here, it's a community that Mototesto been pioneering since the creation because we want to share nga, to travel the Philippines. Almost monthly, we have this small event, mga 15 to 20 rigs. Kasi di ba maraming takot nga, saan kami pupunta? Dati naman hindi naka-announce kung saan may campsite, di ba? So, yun, ginagawa namin. O, sama kayo. Ito, punta tayo dito para ma-experience nyo, magamit nyo yung mga gear nyo at makita nyo kung ano yung nakikita namin. Because hindi namin, there's no words eh. If you want to explain to someone in the city, gaano kaganda dito sa Lake Tabeo, hindi mo ma-explain until nadalhin mo siya dito at ito to. Di ba? Saan ka makakakita ang public campsite Bermuda ang grass? Pinaka-vital sa isang vehicle once na sinet up mo na siya is its suspension. We have the world's best suspension. Actually, it's the world's pioneer in suspension. They're the one who invented what we know as our shock absorber today. So it's Koni. It started in 1857. They created suspension for Calesa. They're also the one who built suspension for Ferrari, Formula 1, and yung mga performance sports. And right now, they're already aerospace company who built pang aeroplano and spaceship na. So yun, isa yun. Syempre, next to that is our brake system. If you are familiar with Rally Dakar, that's the brake system that Toyota GR team use, that is power brake. So may mga drawer system tayo, like deck. We have racking system like Lightner. We have modular racking system na open, tawag namin doon. and we have a closed canopy like RLD, tents and camping gear by Wildland. Lightings, syempre kailangan di pwedeng mawala dahil nga sa bundok walang ilaw. So we have Baha Design. Talagang research namin and tinest namin, and those are the best brand out there. Meron. Ipopost natin yan once na ready for publish. Right now, Mototesto is handling 20 brands all across the world, from Australia, US, Europe, Africa. Yes, Wildland Safari Camper, yun yung patented design, innovative. But if you want to go into this lifestyle, feel free to visit us in our showroom. Not necessarily na bibili ka. You want to talk about it, make kwento, explore more. We are willing to guide you. No need to spend a lot on your rig. Ano ba yung sinasabi nilang, ano ang the best rig for overlanding? Actually, is what you have. Kung ano yung current vehicle mo, then that's the best vehicle for overlanding. Kailangan lang naman dun is you know your vehicle's limitation. Pag sumama ka sa group, ano naman, everyone will take care of each other. But pwede kang pumunta sa shop, we will guide you. Let's try it first. Kung enjoy kayo sa lifestyle, don't spend muna, enjoy nyo muna, testingin nyo muna, gusto ko tong lifestyle na to, gusto ko i-continue, may experience ko na ano ba yung gusto mong setup. Then, bago ka mag-start mag-setup. I'm very, very thankful sa mga lahat na nag-support, mga pioneer na nag-support. Meron kaming mga kasama dito, 10 years, 15 years ago, kasama pa rin namin. Continuously supporting, hindi namin sila binayaran, sila pa yung gumagastos. Kay kanila, Kel, very thankful na you agree to collaborate with us. Support us. We're not a big marketing budget company. We're just here to enjoy the lifestyle. Sila, Lost Boys, sila Kurt, very, very supportive din. Sa lahat ng mga sumama, and yung mga gustong sumama, huwag kayong mahiya. Walang discrimination. Sorry sa boses ko kasi ang ginaw-ginaw na.
And that's a wrap for this wonderful episode. Hope you learned a lot from Sir Team Tuason. Thanks again, sir, and more power to Mototesto. And for the next one, we will be having Kirk Del Rosario of the Lost Boys to talk about their history and adventures. See you, and sumayin nawa ang kapayapaan. Cheers!